Outside in an AMG, right outside.
Okay,
Two-time
Trent.
baby girl, you know me. Still with
Okay,
the dogs
Trent.
that are inside. All the niggas round, gotta watch the time. Lying right above, I'm outside.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video for you guys. Today we're going to be working on Nightwing, but we're not going to do upgrades. We're not fixing anything. Today I just basically want to check and see how the tune is doing on the car. And this car has been tuned for about a little over a year now. We just got the retune done back in like February or March, somewhere around there. So basically, I'm gonna be checking the tune, and how I'm going to be doing that is pulling the spark plug. Spark plugs will tell you a lot. It will tell you if you're too lean, they will tell you if you're too rich, or they'll tell you if you're running just right. So hopefully the car is just running just right, and I have nothing to worry about. Or for the sake of the content, maybe I'll find something that I don't like, and you guys will get a kick out of that. So yeah, let's get started. All right, y'all, so what we have here is the beautiful LS3 motor, LS3 being that I have a standard. First, I'm gonna take the bottom section for all the spark plugs, and we're going to be using a 5/8 spark plug socket. Being that I have headers, I need this 3-inch extension, and a 3/8 ratchet will get you where you need to go. So, as I said in the previous clip, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So, got our plug wires off on this driver's side here. So what you can do is you can crack it loose till the ratchet stops pretty much ratcheting, and you can take the extension off and unscrew by hand. There we have number one.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so got the driver's side out, cylinder 1, 3, 5, and 7. So this is my pin light that I have. I kind of inspected them off camera first, so that way I can kind of explain things to you guys. And pretty much what I found has been it kind of confirmed some suspicions that I did have about the tune on this car. So I'll get into that a little later, but to show you guys what you would be looking for. So the strap here, this is your how you can determine your timing, and your the porcelain, which is the white part in the center here, that would determine your AFR, air fuel ratio. It will tell you if you have too little or too much fuel. So also, if your electrode is gone, that's obviously not good. But so pretty much, as you can see, that defined black mark right there. So this shows that my car does have the right amount of timing. So if everything else was good, then this thing would run flawlessly. But like I said, I have my pin light because the porcelain does run all the way down these threads, and as far as I could see, the porcelain was pretty much all white all the way down. What you would want to see is, like I mentioned, this black defined mark would also be on the porcelain as well. So too high up would mean it's rich. Non-existent would mean you are very lean. So, and where you would kind of want the black mark to be would be close to the bottom, but like I said, non-existent. Well, I didn't exactly see my black mark on here. Well, I'm picking this pin up like I can show you, but yeah, I did not see where my black mark started, and I was able to look at least 3/4 down this spark plug. Hey guys, future me here. So I'm editing a video right now that you guys are currently watching, and I realized that I didn't mention, so technically the 100% correct way to check your fuel mark would be to disassemble the spark plug, like cut it open, and that way you'll be able to 100% see where everything is sitting at. So yes, I did not take apart the spark plug, but I was able to see a decent amount down on the porcelain. At the end of the day, like I said, still did not see my mark with as far as I could see with my light. So yeah, just want to throw this in right quick. So that would tell me that this car is missing out on some fuel. It's more on the lean side. If you don't really know about power, fuel is your power. So I'm missing out on power, and I need that. So obviously the car is safe, but that's about it. Like, I'm missing out on my power. So I still need to do the passenger side bank. All right guys, so I did finish up with Nightwing. Took apart the passenger side, and the spark plugs were looking the exact same as the driver's side, which meaning there's no cylinder that's just firing out of the ordinary, which is good. The only thing is, like I said in a previous clip, the car is on the lean side. So with that being said, I was having suspicions with this car not performing the way I feel like it should, being that it's an LS3 with you know, headers and intake and all the other mods that you have seen me put on this thing. All right guys, so future me here once again. Want to throw in right quick that I found out that the car was on the low octane fuel tables at the time. If you have a 5th gen Camaro SS, you probably know what this is. You notice these cars are finicky about literally everything. So what was happening was basically I ended up getting 91 or lower at a fuel station when it should have been 93. So the ECM was pulling power out of the car. So I got that reset, and the car is back to what it was before. Still don't think it's at its max potential, so my opinion there stands. Not bashing the current tuner whatsoever, but I did end up talking to JRX, my truck tuner, and he will be retuning that car in the future, and we can get pretty much all the sauce out of that thing. So yeah, just wanted to throw that in right quick. The car was on the low octane fuel tables. It is back on the normal fuel table, so my normal power is back on the car. But yeah, so like I said, just want to throw this in right quick. Let you guys get back to the video.
I'm not by any means bashing my current tuner, so it's just my personal opinion of what I feel like the car should be running like. And
other than that, I hope you guys did learn something from this whole video here. Like I said, you check your spark plugs to check how not only your tune, or you could check just how your motor is running in general. So this will work for your stock motor if you're just someone that just puts gas in your car and goes, you know, you don't care about all this extra performance stuff. You can do the same method to check your spark plugs and see if you're burning too much gas, or if you're not, you know, whatever. So you can do that on the stock motor. You can do that all the way up if you're boosted. It'll all tell the same story. Like I said, hope you guys learned something. Maybe you guys can use it on your car. Other than that, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments down below. Follow me everywhere. I'll have that also in the description. and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
I'm an icon, man. And my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.